pre-bid conference. BFP, ilan po ang nag-participate sa pre-bid conference?
We have no record. There are several companies, Your Honor,
By
that
the way, excuse
participated.
me, Mr. Chair, remind lang po natin, nag-oath ba sila?
Yes, Your Honor.
We have conducted an oath nung ano pa. Suspended lang tayo, so continuing
Okay,
hearing.
fair warning sa'yo ha. Siguraduhin lang po yung sagot ha.
Yes, Your
Sila
Honor.
po ang nag-participate sa pre-bid conference.
You are asking Congressman Busita, yung
According to
last
our records,
BBL,
Your Honor, there are 4 companies that.
Wait. Before you speak, let the chairman speak first. So, ang tinatanong mo kailan yung bid? Kailan?
Mr. Chair, I'm
2023?
referring to doon sa 4 lots.
Sa 4 lots. O sige, go
4
ahead.
lots.
General Fernandez, go ahead.
There are at least 4 companies, Your Honor, that participated in the
Okay.
procurement, in the pre-bid conference, Your Honor.
4. May kasama ba sa inyo sa pre-bid conference, Madam? Bakit po? Please use the mic. Please.
Nag-Zoom po yata.
Sa Zoom?
Zoom. Okay. Good comment, Mr. Chair. Kailan po ninyo kinandak ang pre-bid conference?
Who wants to answer?
We're just browsing with our records, Your Honor.
Face-to-face ba yon or via Zoom?
It can be conducted through Zoom, Your Honor, and can be conducted
Why
face-to-face.
it can be conducted, kinandak na nga eh. Ang tinatanong po natin, face-to-face ba or via Zoom?
It's an option of the company to may nag-Zoom, may on-site din, Your Honor.
Sino ang magde-decide? Bidder o kayo?
It's the bidder, Your Honor. We will give them the Zoom
Excuse
link.
me, Mr. Chair. Kung ako ang bidder, nag-schedule kayo ng pre-bid conference, ako ang magde-decide kung ayaw ko ng face-to-face? Yun po ba ang gusto mong sabihin?
Yes, Your Honor. It's the option of the bidder, Your Honor, to participate.
Hindi ako pabor dyan. Doon pa lang sa sagot mo, may influence na eh. Kung bidder ako, ba't ako magdidikta sa inyo? Kalimbawa, nag-schedule kayo ng pre-bid conference. Sasabihin ko sa inyo, General, busy ako eh. Pwede ba? Zoom na lang tayo? Ganun po ba?
The procurement.
No. Wag na nating sayangin ang oras ng mga kasama natin. Linawin natin. Paano ninyo ginawa ang pre-bid conference? Face-to-face or via Zoom?
It's a hybrid, Your Honor. They can be at the site or they can participate through Zoom, Your Honor.
Sino ang umattend sa face-to-face? By the way, excuse me, Mr. Chair, pasensya po. Nalimutan ko lang. Tinanong ko po kayo eh. Kailan po kayo nag-conduct ng pre-bid conference?
Yeah, we'll just...
Timeline.
Okay, Mr. Chair, mag-skip ako doon sa tanong ko kasi matatagalan tayo. General,
Connection with that, para ano ko lang, meron din akong konting tanong doon. So, you're still applying the, sa pre-bid. Nag-a-apply pa rin tayo ng Zoom.
Yes, Your Honor, because it's just a discussion of the terms and conditions and a venue for them to ask questions during the pre-bid conference, Your Honor. So they can also write.
The reason why I'm asking this this question, kasi hindi ko alam kung yan pa rin ang procedure natin ngayon that nag-hybrid pa rin tayo. Kasi we stop in this Congress, we stop already the Zoom hearings that before we are conducting. You know why we stop? Kasi nagkakaroon ng ng gayaan yung mga dito, di ba? For example, meron kami hearing. Kami mga umaattend dito, yung iba nagsusum lang. Di ba? Parang ang feeling natin, yung responsibility ng ating mga kasamahan are being lessened pag nasa Zoom ka. And somehow, nagkakaroon din ng problem, for example, sa mga bidding processes natin yan, kung if you're going to allow yung hybrid procedure, wherein you are giving much more preference doon sa mga bidder that somehow, if they want to hide something or naitatago nila sa Zoom. Unlike kapag yung regular bidding tayo na walang hybrid, at least open tayo doon, transparent, can be observed all the time. So, if I may, refrain from doing the hybrid anymore. Kasi hindi na siya applicable sa ngayon because don't give that opportunity for the bidders to choose to be there or not to be there. It must be kayo ang mag-decide na dapat nandun sila lahat. Ibig sabihin natin na lang yan, yung content
Right.
lang ng TOR.
Yes.
It doesn't follow as well. Dapat personal na nandun lahat. Para pantay-pantay ang pagtingin natin doon sa lahat ng ating ginagawang proseso sa ating bidding.
Yes, Your Honor.
I have a commitment for that. Wala nang wala nang mga zoom.
Yeah.